what are these little guys here?
These are Spanish toasted marzipan
Ooh.
candies.
Marzipan.
Mm-hmm.
Which is almond flour, correct?
Almond flour, sugar.
Wonderful,
A little
wonderful.
bit of almond extract and an egg white.
A lot of almonds
Mm-hmm.
and a little egg.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Wonderful. So they're probably healthy, I would say, yes?
No.
What, almonds and egg whites? That's healthy.
But there's a lot of sugar in these.
Wow, the sugar's not terrible for you. I hate the fact sugar gets a bad rap. That's ridiculous. Anyway, you've been a busy little bee today, haven't you? I love
So
marzipan, so I'm looking forward to eating this.
So you want to see me pop them out really quick because it's kind of cute, cool.
Okay, pop it out.
So they're like I'm making little Christmas tree shapes.
And that's pretty easy, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know, they do wonderful work in marzipan.
Who's they?
People.
Who's people?
I don't know, people. They make like, you know, they make like, it looks like a real strawberry, you know, like that. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Yeah.
We should do that.
They
sometime.
do. They do.
Yeah, they.
But this is, I'm trying to go for a more traditional candy that's done in Spain. And
Hungarians use marzipan a lot, you know that?
yes, I do know that.
Be careful, you're dropping them on you. Now,
So these are going to get brushed with an egg yolk and then toasted, and they'll be really pretty.
beautiful. I'll come back and see them.
Okay.
Can I see your face?
No.
Aw, you're pretty.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.